Dogs are more than just pets. They are companions, protectors, and for many, family. Throughout history, there have been extraordinary stories of canine loyalty that transcend time and touch our hearts. Today, we're exploring the remarkable tales of the most loyal dogs in history. These stories remind us why dogs truly are man's best friend. Our journey begins in Japan with the story of Hachiko, perhaps the most famous symbol of loyalty. Hachiko was an Akita dog who greeted his owner, Professor Hidesaburo Ueno, at the train station every evening without fail. One day, the professor tragically passed away at work and never returned home. But Hachiko didn't give up. For nearly 10 years, he waited at the same spot, hoping for his owner's return. His unwavering devotion captured the hearts of an entire nation. Today, a statue of Hachiko stands at Shibuya Station in Tokyo, a testament to the loyalty and love of this incredible dog. Next, we travel to Scotland to meet Greyfriars Bobby, a small Skye Terrier with a giant heart. Bobby's owner, John Gray, passed away in 1858 and was buried in Greyfriars Kirkyard. For 14 years, Bobby guarded his owner's grave, refusing to leave, no matter the weather. Locals cared for the loyal dog, and his devotion became a symbol of unbreakable bonds. Today, a statue of Greyfriars Bobby stands near the cemetery, forever honoring his loyalty. In 1925, a diphtheria outbreak threatened the remote town of Nome, Alaska. With no other way to deliver life-saving medicine, a team of sled dogs led by Balto braved a deadly snowstorm to complete the final leg of the journey. Balto and his team traveled over 50 miles through blinding blizzards and sub-zero temperatures to deliver the serum. His loyalty and courage saved countless lives. Balto became a hero across the United States. Today, his statue stands in Central Park, New York City, a tribute to his bravery and devotion. In the small town of Borgo San Lorenzo, Italy, a mixed-breed dog named Fido earned his place in history. During World War II, Fido waited every day at the bus stop for his owner, Carlo Soriani, to return from work. Tragically, Carlo died in a bombing raid. But Fido continued to wait at the bus stop for 14 years, hoping to see his beloved owner. His story of loyalty moved the nation. A statue was erected in his honor, a symbol of love that knows no bounds. In India, the story of Wagyu, the faithful companion of the Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, is a tale of eternal loyalty. After the king's death in 1680, Wagyu is said to have leapt onto the funeral pyre, unwilling to leave his master's side, even in death. This act of ultimate devotion has made Wagyu a legendary figure. His story is celebrated as a symbol of courage and loyalty in Indian history. In Montana, USA, the story of Shep, a loyal collie, continues to touch hearts. In 1936, Shep's owner passed away, and his casket was transported by train. For 6 years, Shep waited at the train station, greeting every train that arrived, hoping his owner would return. His loyalty became a symbol of unconditional love. The community honored him with a burial and a statue near the train station. In Argentina, A German shepherd named Capitan showed the world the meaning of undying love. After his owner, Miguel Guzman, passed away, Capitan disappeared for weeks. He was later found guarding Miguel's grave. For over a decade, Capitan lived at the cemetery, refusing to leave his master's side. His loyalty drew visitors from around the world. Capitan became a symbol of eternal devotion. What makes these stories so powerful? It's the deep bond between humans and dogs. Built on trust, love, and companionship. Dogs don't just live with us. They share our joys, our struggles, and even our losses. Their loyalty is instinctive. But it's also a reflection of the unconditional love they feel for their humans. These incredible tales of loyalty remind us of the importance of connection and devotion. In a world that often feels fast-paced and fleeting, the unwavering love of a dog teaches us to value the relationships that truly matter. Their loyalty is a gift, one that we should honor by treating them with the care, respect, and love they deserve. From Hachiko in Japan to Capitan in Argentina, the stories of these loyal dogs transcend borders and time. They remind us that love and loyalty know no bounds. Dogs truly are more than just companions. They are living examples of devotion in its purest form. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heartwarming world of canine loyalty. Until next time, cherish the bond you share with your dog. They're not just pets. They're family.